Many times I'm asked by landscape architects and designers, my client is very concerned with maintenance. They want something that's durable, or maybe they want something that can just support some heavier loadings. Well, those are three areas that are very common, and they're areas where we have had a lot of success in helping the designers solve those issues for their owners. Number one, from a maintenance standpoint, our product is a no-maintenance boardwalk system. It is something that's designed for a 50 to 75-year design life, and I don't think you'll find that in any other material that's out there on the marketplace right now. Number two, with the need for a durable boardwalk system. It's a reinforced concrete product. It's designed to be durable, and just by the nature of the material, it's something that's going to be long-lasting and be able to withstand the foot traffic and the traffic that you might want on a heavily used greenway or bikeway system. Number three is the heavier loads that are sometimes required on the boardwalk system. For example, if you're designing a boardwalk that's over 7 feet wide, you're required by code to design for vehicular loading. You may not normally think of vehicular loading on a boardwalk system, but it's actually required by the design guidelines. Our system can easily support those types of loads, and we've even had cases where they put a drill rig on top of the boardwalk system, which is quite a substantial loading condition. So we can design for those heavier loads, whether they're vehicular or pedestrian. Those are things that we can design for. So keep in mind, loading conditions, durability, and maintenance are three issues where we really shine as a boardwalk system.